Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing and short review of Hikvision 1080p HD web camera. So this is a model named DS-U02. It's made in China. I guess the brand is also from China. So this is the one of the cheapest webcam I could find at only $25. So what features do I get? So here are all the features. It offers 1080p recording, has a built-in microphone, can be rotated 360 degrees, and USB 2.0 like most of the webcams. So let's check out the box. Yeah. And at the top you can see the Hikvision brand. It's completely sealed. I didn't open it yet. So as there is a pull tab, let's try to open it from here. Some Hikvision branding, a quick start guide, but as you can see, this is a well-known security camera company. So this is I guess you don't need it, and I'm feeling tired as well. So here's the camera. I guess the camera is misplaced somehow, though it was sealed. So here it is. So pretty big webcam. This will stay in place, no problem. And as this said 360 degree, this thing can be rotated 360 degrees, no problem. And there is a mounting point at the bottom. You can use tripods to place this, and there is I guess this is very sturdy as well. So to place it on your monitor or laptop, whichever you like, and you can just use it like a leg or stand. So pretty nice webcam. I really like it. I like the design. It's slim, simple and minimalist. So let's try it out. Let's try it out with the webcam named Logitech C270. How does it compare? Let's see. So hello everyone, this is the view from the Hikvision camera. As you can see, this is pretty wide and the picture quality is also great. The lighting is not really good as my skin tone is very dark here, but compared to the Logitech C270 I have, which does a better job with lighting. So let's check out the Hikvision a bit more. So what do I get here? So there is an option, as you can see, that this offers 1080p and 2.1 megapixel photos, and the videos go the same, the 30 fps 1080p. So, and compared to the Logitech C270 I have, let's compare it once again. So here is the one from the Logitech C270, which is a 720p webcam. As you can see here, this offers only 720p and only 0.9 megapixels, and the 720p at 30 fps. So I guess you will get a better picture quality with the Hikvision one, with slightly problematic lighting, but compared to the C270, it is much cheaper. The C270 is right now at $14 US, and the Hikvision one I got only for like $25 US. That's really cheap at and the quality is really satisfactory, I can say. So thank you for watching. Put a thumbs up if it was helpful. Subscribe if you like videos more like this, and thank you again. Goodbye.